Welcome, this is Neco year 2019 Civic Education Past Question. Question number 10 says, the yellow light on the traffic sign is also known as dash. The yellow light that regulates the movement, of cars on the highway is called dash. A. Amber. B. Sign. C. Lily. D. Maroon. E. T. The correct option here is option A. Amber means yellow light. Remember that we have three principal lights on the highway. We have the red, we have the green, we have the yellow. The connotation of the red here is stop. The red simply means stop. The connotation of the green is go, while the connotation of the yellow is to get ready to go. Then when we talk of the sign simply means the green. Then the lace simply means purple color. The maroon simply means red, dark red. Then T also means brown. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure you subscribe for more of our videos.